Hi, my name is Cidney. I've been here for about 5.5 years, and I am a CNC Setup Operator Advanced. What I enjoy most about my job is coming in, taking a program, loading the machine, dialing the part in, and running it. And I really enjoy the setup portion, the parts where troubleshooting comes in, and figuring out what's causing the issue and what I can do to resolve it and make it better. Part of my work that I'm most proud of is the skill it takes behind it. I'm having an open mind, trying different things, having a professional mindset, and just attention to detail and the quality. Something special about the team that I work with is the dedication from all of us on the floor and to the engineers and the supervisors. We all really care and we're dedicated to make the best product on the market for quick lock pins and making sure they're fully functional for our customers. Something that makes Jergens unique is the variety of pins we sell, the variety of stuff in our catalog, and just being efficient and just having that mindset that our products are the best on the market. Yes, so one of my growths at Jergens is I started in hoist-ring 5.5 years ago. I kind of worked my way up the ladder and been on a few variety different machines, but I've definitely found a home in the Swiss department. I currently run the 32mm Sagamis and can also run the 12mm Sagamis. And I have also been a part of some of the training to help guys get on board and move along faster and be a part of the team. I am proud to be a part of something that is special and unique.